you have flour at home, 1 egg and water, you can make this delicious bread bun. Some people call it chin chin bun, others call it boki, but whatever you call it, let's just make it together. This is my favorite childhood snack, by the way. If it's your first time coming across my channel, welcome to Zezi's Kitchen. You will love it here. Just hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any video that I post. You will need some milk powder for this recipe, some butter, sugar, baking powder, salt, 1 egg and water. What's a baking recipe without flour? Of course, flour needs to be there. The first thing you want to do is to measure out 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Add in your baking powder, sugar, milk powder and some salt. Don't worry, the full list of ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box, so do well to check that out. That's all for the dry ingredients, so you are going to give everything a good mix, making sure it is well combined. Make a hole in the middle with your hand or your whisk, then add in 60 grams of butter. This is equivalent to about 4 tablespoons of butter. Use your hand to mix the butter into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. Yeah, this is what you want to achieve. Once you have something like this, you are going to stop mixing at this point, then make a hole in the middle to crack in 1 egg, add your water, and you're going to mix this until you have a soft dough. Like I always say, when making baking recipes, please add your water gradually. For the 3 cups of water, I used a little less than 1 cup, so what was remaining was about 2 tablespoons. But who knows, your flour might just take the whole 1 cup of water. That's why I insist you add your water gradually. Once you have something like this, you're going to transfer the dough to a floured surface. Knead for about 2 minutes until you have a smooth dough. Then you're going to put it in that same bowl you used for mixing. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. My loves, if you have watched up to this point, please do well to like, drop a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you will get a notification. So thank you and God bless you. Right now I'm going to roll out the dough, cut them into squares, and this is the shape that the bread buns is going to take. When rolling out your dough, don't roll it too flat. It should be a little bit thick, about 1 inch thick. It should look exactly like this. You can see this one is about 1 inch thick. The sides is not too flat. Set this aside. Heat up some oil in a pan. Before you start frying, please make sure your oil is in the right temperature. Do a test with small amount of the dough. If it flows right to the top, then you can start frying. Please, this step is very important.